Hi, and welcome to this short video tutorial where we will show you how to generate your safeMedicate certificate of completion. Now, your CPD certificate of completion is auto-generated by our system on successful completion of the CPD activity. Note that all pages are downloadable and printable. So in order to generate your certificate, you must score 100% in an assessment that covers all medication domains included in the module. If you've not yet elected to take an assessment, then follow these simple steps. So to begin, hover your mouse over the modules menu item on the menu bar. Scroll down to the Assessments module at the bottom of the list and click Start Module. A list of all modules available to you will be shown. Now, select the module title that you wish to be assessed on. Next, choose an assessment type, format and area of practice from the available options. Now, if you are unsure of what each item refers to, then click on the question mark symbol associated with the item. When you have selected your assessment options, click on Start Assessment. Next, after completing the assessment, open your personal record again and click on the Assessments panel to show a list of assessments that you have taken. Click directly over the chosen assessment in the list to open a summary of your results for that assessment. Now, if you have achieved 100% and the assessment has covered all medication domains, then you can proceed to access your certificate. Now, still in your personal record, click on the module name that you have been studying. In the CPD section at the lower left, you will now see two buttons. Select Complete CPD Feedback to enable you to complete a reflective account of your learning that will be printed along with your certificate. Your reflective account will enable you to document how the CPD activity relates to and has informed your professional practice. This can be added to your CPD portfolio and used as evidence in a CPD audit by an employer, professional institute or regulator. Or you can select Leave CPD Feedback Later to print your certificate, though the reflective account will not be included. Just write to the date that you completed your CPD, you will see two icons. Click on the one highlighted on screen now, which will take you through to your printing options. Note that there will be 2 pages to print, both your certificate and your assessment summary. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you have any further questions, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with a member of the team via our help desk.